Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to create an email with a domain name. So let's start. Everything you can do it with easymails.com. Here is a page that you can create an email address for business or professional use and only use to at gmail.com. Instead of this, we can use info at yourcompanyname.com, and it is very important because we look professional for business. So here on emails, easy mails, you can get it. So just scroll down and we'll find here the packages. We have 4 different packages. We have mailer, basic website, standard website, premium website. Instead of use mailer, this will only give you the email address. The basic and website give you the free domain name and free domain, but you can get in other part of this. And I recommend you better the premium website for $14.99 per month, because this give you the free domain easily and also give you the 4 mailboxes. And also guys, well, we give you the 80% off from that final price, and click in the link in the description below. And only that, we only give you the 30-day money back guarantee for you. If you don't like service, you don't like how it works, we'll return the money to you. This give you the 40 mailboxes. The benefits is that security checks, WordPress installation, also give you the own website, and also guys, we'll give you a chat support 24 hours. And if you want to get the email or your domain easily, we can give you in 2 minutes or less. So if you like it, just click on order, and then on order here you find here the web page. Here is emails. Just go to a promotion code, just write it, how to just apply it, and you will get the 80% off from that price. So after this is ready to use, as you can see, 80% off for a month. You only pay $3. Just write your email here for contact you, your domain, and your business email. It's important to write this correctly, okay? Then just go to payment method. You can write your card information here, your numbers, month and year, CVC, your card holder name is important as well, and your billing address here, okay? So you can change the country, if there's no problem. Just write here the country and your address, city, and save information if you want to save information for future payments. If not, there is no problem, and just subscribe and you will get your domain and your email address without any problem. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.